Welcome to Back to School Night. My name is Ann Anderson and I am the math skills teacher here at Elevation. I've been a math teacher for over 20 years and this is my 4th year at Elevation. I love what I do and I'm excited to provide these support classes to our students this year. I teach support classes for Algebra 1, Algebra 2, and Geometry students. I also have a special class for our seniors who are trying to meet the math graduation requirements. So I just want to tell you a little bit about myself and a little bit about this class. It's very different from all of the other classes your student is taking at Elevation. But a little about me first. So I mentioned that this is my 4th year at Elevation. I taught at Eagle Crest for 16 years before that, and I taught in Chicago before that. I am married. I have 2 kids. They are 9 and 12, and we live in Jefferson County. We actually live in the mountains and love it there. I love to travel and camp and cook, and I love teaching at Elevation. And I love helping students feel more comfortable in their math classes. So let's talk a little about the math skills classes. This class does not have homework. Yay! It's a support class. And so because we want the support to be available to everyone, we do have unique VC times. And sometimes that's surprising for families, but we meet on Fridays and Mondays, and that is so that we don't have a conflict with the Tuesday and Wednesday classes, and so that any student who wants to join this support class can, because it's on a Friday or Monday. And so that's why we have weird VC times. Your specific time, you can see it's on our webpage. I've made a few announcements. I'm clicking on them now. These are the specific times when we meet. In these classes each week, we pretty much do 3 things. Students come in and we work on some kind of basic skill, and that is to strengthen their overall math sense, their feelings around math, and we usually do that through a game. We try to keep it fun. The next thing we do in our VCs is I reteach what's going on in the modules from their Algebra 1 class, from Geometry, from Algebra 2. I reteach that. And I'm probably teaching it differently, which is good because sometimes seeing things differently finally helps it click. And then the last thing we do is we start assignments together. These classes are small groups of students, and eventually everybody knows each other and is comfortable with each other. We start assignments together, and at the end of VC, I wish them well, and they go off and they finish those assignments on their own, hopefully feeling more confident, more positive, and just ready to do it and finish it. I am also available outside of VC. I am their extra math teacher, and so I'm available during IS times. I'm available for one-on-one sessions. We can schedule them. I am at Brick Days on Thursdays, so I'm kind of like a bonus math teacher. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Please send me a message or give me a call. I'd be happy to tell you more if you have some questions. Otherwise, I'm excited for the year, and I can't wait to get to know everybody better and make everybody just feel really good about what's going on in their math classes this year. If you have the chance, you can check out our homepage and learn a little bit more. And if you haven't made one, don't forget to click on a Canvas Observer account and create one. I'll see you.